Bites. I'm Dr. Jimmy Gutman.
Hi, I'm John Molson.
John, I come across a lot of products that say that they have research behind them, natural products. And generally I'm pretty disappointed when I try to look up this research. Either it doesn't exist, or if it does exist, it's done by somebody else, and it's often done on a mouse or a rat model, or it's better still in a test tube. Can you tell us the major difference between the kind of research we do here at Immunotec compared to the majority of other natural products?
Sure. But I have a question for you first, Jimmy.
Yeah.
Why does Health Canada and the FDA require human clinical studies to back up claims?
Your question makes a very good point.
Right. And as you know, as a scientist yourself, science is sequential. So very rarely do you make huge steps. I mean, typically you learn from each experiment and you develop new knowledge and you design new experiments based on the previous knowledge. The thing about Dr. Bunos is, I mean, he was the first in the world to make the association between the specially formulated whey protein, Immunotec, and glutathione. And he developed a whole series of experiments to describe this particular property to the medical community, scientific community, and the general public. And with each experiment, he learned something about how Immunotec acts within that particular model, but also about the mechanism of action. And so if you look at the history of the research behind Immunotec and Immunotec, you have a long period of studies where we document the effect in mice, we document the effect in humans, and the research is ongoing. We currently have important research underway in the fields of aging, in the field of autism research, Lou Gehrig's disease, and many other companies that compete against us in our particular space don't do the kind of quality research we do.
Well, John, you know, your health is the most important thing you have in your hands. So I'm asking you all, before you put anything into your mouth, ask yourself the question, and it's easy these days with the internet to get the answers. Has this specific product been taken to clinical trials with human beings and shown to be A, safe, and B, effective in improving your health? So with those words, to health, and we'll see you next week.
Take care.